So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and very good evening. This side Kunal Kapoor, your financial expert for the day. Guys, I hope you guys are doing great and everything is going good on your side. I hope everything is fine, your trading is going great, and I'm sure that you guys are excited to learn a new strategy. You guys are ready for that. So as you have already seen in the caption, the name of the strategy which we are going to talk about is Peacock strategy. So before proceeding towards this strategy, how we can use it, what are the things we need to take care. Hello love, how are you? Sachin Gonde ji is asking for the Hindi session. Sachin ji, I am so sorry, but we are also conducting sessions in Hindi, but on Tuesday and Thursday. Channel is same, and the timing is going to be 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock p.m. It's IST, Indian Standard Time, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday and Thursday. So I request you to please subscribe the channel, guys. Whosoever is new on the platform, new on this channel, so considering this thing that you will be keep on getting the updates whenever either me or someone from my team will come live, so you will be getting a notification to get some help from our end. So I'm so sorry Sachin ji, today this session is going to be in English, but if you need only in Hindi, yesterday we had a session in Hindi also on the same strategy, so you can check in the playlist, Hindi playlist. WFT Shahji, trade in Europe. For sure sir, we will try to trade on Europe composite index also, or like if you want to talk about any specific asset, or you can mention. So before proceeding ahead, guys, a small request. I need a confirmation from you guys. If my conversation, if my audio and video is completely clear, please confirm me in the comment section. And apart from that, please share the link of this webinar, live webinar, with your dear ones, so we can connect with max to max people. Because see, we are coming live focusing on that thing that we are able to connect with as many people as we can, and we are trying to help them. So that is the only motive for coming live. So please share it with your dear ones, so we will be able to connect with maximum. We will hardly take hardly 2 more minutes, and then we will proceed with today's session. Name of the strategy is going to be Peacock. I'll be talking about how we can use it, what are the things we need to take care about, the things we need to focus on. Okay, so I'm getting confirmations. Very good evening Santoshi, I hope you are doing good. Yes, thank you so much for the confirmation. Stream is 20 seconds late. Yes sir, there is a possibility, even though that is a live stream, but there is a time gap, like telecast gap, so it could lie between 20 to 30 seconds up to 1 minute. So avoid copy trading, because of course there is a possibility that the position which I am going to open, that is going to be visible to you after 20 or 30 seconds, and you know, after every 5 seconds or 10 seconds, the trade that is going to make a difference. But right now we will try to focus much on that how we can use this strategy, because this session is hardly going to be for 50 to 55 minutes. So considering that thing, try to focus on the strategy. If you will find any difficulties, any doubts, let me know. In the meantime, if you understand the strategy, comment box is already there, so you can mention if any signal is visible to you. If you can see that okay, a signal is getting formed at this asset or any XYZ asset, you can mention in the comment section, and I'll be taking trade on your behalf. Of course, I'm not going to share my profit with you, but at least you will get an information, guys, and that is the main focus. Okay, kindly explain a bit about CP and news trading. Of course sir, I'll talk about that also. In fact, NFP data was also there. Water scale gaming ji, last Friday 6 p.m. IST NFP data was there, so I'll give a bit brief about that also, and I'll have a look on CPA also if I'll get some time. I'm good sir, I hope you are also good. Okay, so respecting your time and without wasting any time, let's kick off today's session. So the name of the strategy is already mentioned, Peacock, and before proceeding to that, again I'm welcoming you all, guys. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert from Olymp Trade broker. So Olymp Trade is keep on organizing these type of sessions to help our traders in their trading concerns. This is one of them. If you are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, join the family, so you will be getting notifications. Now, without wasting any time, without any dues, let's kick off. Okay, so guys, this screen which is visible to you guys, that is the laptop application version. So there is a possibility some of my friends, they are using the mobile application, some of them are using the browser version, but nothing to worry about. Everything is visible or available to all of them. There is a possibility that the button is visible here and there, but everything is available to everyone. Okay, so as we can see, there is a tower, 3 buttons. The third one is known as the technical analysis. I'll click on that one. My friend, those who are using mobile application, the same button is going to be visible on the top, where they can see their balance in the account. Just below that there is the name of the asset, and just write to the asset name. The same shape, alphabet A, it's like alphabet A shape. So the same technical technical analysis button is going to be there. Once you will click on that one, a new screen will be pop up at the bottom. We will select the strategies. So I'll select on the strategies. I'll just scroll a bit, and the second last strategy is Peacock. Now, of course, there is going to be a question in some of my friends' mind that we are not on expert level, so this session is not useful for them. So nothing like that. During this session, I'll teach you that how you can apply this strategy manually also. No need to buy, guys. I will teach you how you can apply manually. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected. So in this small screen, what we can see, these 3 lines indicates that this strategy is for expert level. This is the name of the strategy, and this is the mode of trading on which we can use the same on FTT, which is fixed time trade, and forex mode. I'll click on the strategy. So there is going to be a small short video, introduction video, which you can check in future also whenever you want to revise something, or if you forget anything. Right now I am here, so no need to bother yourself. I'll be teaching you. Here you can see the description. It's clearly saying that this is a potential effective strategy that requires some skill. It uses the Arun up and down, parabolic SAR, and zigzag indicator. Arun up and down is the main one here, as it shows the power of the upward and downward trend. When one of its line is above 70, it's an indication a powerful trend. During such a period, if the line of the second indicator drops below 50, it's a signal to open a position. The parabolic SAR and zigzag are used as a confirmation. Remember to watch the video. No need to watch the video right now. I'm here for you guys. The name of the indicators and oscillators which we are going to use, which was already mentioned in the description also: parabolic, zigzag, and Arun up and down. So we have a question: how to get expert status? Sir, the more trades you will take, in fact the more positive trades you will take, the more XP points you will get. In fact, on the negative trades also you are getting some XP points, but on positive trades the number of XP points is a bit higher. The more XP points you will get, that will help you to upgrade your level on the platform. First you will be on starter, then you will be on advanced. Advanced and expert level, they are having a validity of 30 days. So make sure that you hold some specific steps to increase the validity or cloak over the validity. Very good evening, Ambika ji. I hope you are doing good. Okay, so now we will click on the enable strategy, and boom, here we go. We can see that the strategy has been applied. Before proceeding, how we can use it, a small piece of information for those friends, those who are not on expert level and they also want to use this strategy. So guys, please take a screenshot of this part, or you can note it down. The parabolic SAR frequency we need 0.02, zigzag with the 10 and 5, Arun up with the 25, Arun up and down 25. So how you can apply it manually? Just suppose this is the main screen, click on technical analysis, just go to the search, parabolic SAR, first select that one, then zigzag is also there, and then the last one, Arun. So you will select one by one, change the frequency if required. If the same frequency is there, no need to change. I hope everything is clear to everyone. And guys, if you have any doubt, any questions, feel free to write into the comment section. So now we will talk about how this strategy works. So we are going to get three instruments we are going to use to get some confirmation, some signals from this strategy. The first one from the parabolic. These small pink dots, these are called parabolic dots. Very easy to use them, very easy to observe them. So whenever these dots are on the upwards direction, upward side of the chart, or you can say on the above of the chart, so these will indicate that market can go into the downward direction. Guys, no need to get confused. If it's on the upper side, market will go down in a downward trend. If on the lower side, on the bottom part, market can go into the upward side. Very nice. I'm happy to know, ma'am. Okay, so first confirmation from the parabolic. The second one from the zigzag. I'm not too much into the zigzag because I believe that indicator that is a bit lagging, because as you can see that is showing in this direction. A couple of candles will be in this direction, then it will change the side. But of course, that can give you a small indication that in which direction market is prevailing, or it was prevailing. Because see, market is going into the downward direction, but so far we haven't received any confirmation from the zigzag. So I'm not that much into it. But you can use it. It's not like that it's just a wastage. You can observe that. The third one and the most main one which we are going to look into, that was mentioned into the description also, is Arun up or Arun down. So as you can see that in this one, at the bottom of this screen, there are two lines, red and green. There are two levels, one is 0 and then another one is 100. So you can take the middle one as a 50 and a little above is 70. Or we will make it simple. We will try to keep the things simple for now. Once you will explore this strategy, once you will get a better hold on this strategy, of course you will make some certain rules for your own, and then you will get a better hold. Then you will be getting a better understanding. Right now we will only talk about the basic rules. So guys, please be focused for this part, because sometimes traders are getting confused in this one. That is not rocket science. It's very easy, but you need to be focused. Whenever this red line is touching this 100 level, I'm repeating again, whenever this red line is touching this 100 level, it is indicating that market can go into a downward direction. Red line, you can just to memorize it, as we can see that whenever the red candles are there, so they are giving a indication that market is going into the downward direction. So the same way, the red line here, when it is touching 100 level, it is again going to tell the same thing, that market can go into the downward direction. Vice versa, whenever the green line is going to touch the 100 level. So in this one, we are always going to focus on this 100 level. If red is touching, then downward trend. If green is touching, upward trend. For now, we will be focusing whenever there is going to be an intersection, and then one of the line is going to touch the 100 level. So first confirmation from the parabolic, second from the zigzag, third from the Arun up or Arun down, red touching 100, then downward, green touching 100, then upward. And for now, we will only focus whenever there is going to be an intersection, and then we will get into the market. I hope guys everything is clear. Water scale gaming ji, he want to confirm again. Ambika ji, I am good. I am doing good. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, water scale gaming ji, let me just clarify it again. So in this one, we are going to focus on three signals. The first one is parabolic SAR. These small pink dots are called parabolic SAR. If these are on the upper side of the chart, these are indicating that market can go into the downward direction. Vice versa, if these are on the bottom side, on the below the chart candles, then these are going to indicate that market can go into the upward direction. Second indication from the zigzag, it is indicating that in whichever direction the market can prevail. The third confirmation, for sure I am doing the same water scale gaming. The third confirmation from the Arun up and Arun down. Arun down is this red line and Arun up is this green line. There are two levels, 100 and 0. If the green line is touching 100 level, it's showing that market can go into the upward direction. There can be a bullish trend. If this red candle is going to touch, I'll show you some examples also. Let me. So here we can see the first confirmation parabolic, second parabolic is there. It touched the red line, touched the 100 level, and then market start going into the downward direction. Let me show you the green one. So here, let me give you a better example. Okay, so here we can see the green candle touched the 100 level and market went into upward direction. Again, second example. This one, the green candle was there, and after that there was a trend reversal. That is a exceptional case. But I hope you are getting an idea that how these indicators works. Now one more thing, guys. In this strategy, this suggested time frame for a trade is 2 to 4 candles. So by 2 to 4 candles, I mean to say if my chart time frame is 1 minute, the trade time is going to be 2, 3 and 4 minutes. If 5 minutes, then you can multiply. And then one additional tip, like which I am using on my own, like as this, which is based on my experience. Whenever you are going to open your position, guys, always open your position when the second parabolic dot appears on the chart. So we are not going to open the position at this level. We will be opening the position at the starting of this candle. If the parabolic is in the same direction which we are getting the confirmation, then we will be opening a trade. We will do some action, nothing to worry, guys. I will make some live trades, so that will be more clear for you. Okay, please a bit about zigzag. See, water skill. In the beginning also I mentioned about the zigzag. Like I am not that much into the zigzag, but of course if you want, you can use it. It is going to give you an indication that in which direction market can prevail. Why I am not using, the reason is that I believe that is a bit lagging, because see, here we can see that the direction has been already indicated that market was in a downward direction, but so far we haven't received any confirmation from the zigzag. So that is the reason that I believe that is a little bit lagging. But for an idea, see, here we go. We can see that now there is a confirmation, like it gave the idea that market can go into the upward direction. But guys, see, first confirmation parabolic is there, zigzag is there, but still I am not taking trade. Why? Because I haven't received the main confirmation. Okay, now that is also there, but it's not confirmed. The market is keep on fluctuating. For beginning, we will only take couple of trades whenever there is going to be an intersection and one of the line is going to touch the 100 level. Once you will start practicing, then of course you will be able, you will get to some conclusion that you can take some trades in a ongoing market also, or the intersection has happened long ago, but it's again touching the maximum level. No sir, we are not going to take immediate trade on zigzag reversal. The best which I can suggest is wait for the second confirmation, second parabolic dot, and then get into the market. Okay, so now we will do some action, guys. Like always, comment section is open for you guys. If you find any difficulties, right over there. In the meantime, if you will find any signal on any of the asset, do let me know. We will talk about the forex side also, how we can use this on forex. We will open couple of trades, and then we will also talk about some of the major points, like which everyone has to take care, whether he's a beginner trader or whether he's a super pro expert trader. So we will talk about those points also. Just allow me some time. We will take a couple of trades and then we will proceed. But so far I believe everything is clear to everyone. Okay, so before proceeding to some action, doing some trying to make some money, guys, one small disclaimer, small information, that this market, this financial market, is highly risky. There is a possibility of partial or fully investment loss. So guys, please make sure that you learn the things properly, you understand everything, then start investing. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take during this session, all are depending on my skills, my experience, everything. And the main thing which I have already mentioned in the beginning of the conversation, that you know that this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which can live between 20 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the position which I am going to open right away, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So please avoid copy trading. When zigzag apply candle small, sir, I am so sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you please explain a bit? If you want to write in Hindi, that is completely fine. I'll try to explain in English, because today we can only talk talk in English, but I can read your question, nothing to worry about that one. But please explain the question, so that will be more easy for me and easy for another people to understand, so that information will be useful for them. I'm sure that is going to be something very important. Okay, sir, silly question, but can we use Heiken-Ashi candle in this form for more confirmation of the trend? Sir, nothing is silly, everything is important. See, you can use Heiken-Ashi candle also, but Heiken-Ashi, that color of that Heiken-Ashi candle, of course, that is also going to give a confirmation that in which side the market can prevail. It's completely up to your choice. Like when the traders or those who have started this strategy, or those who have made this strategy, they have used it on only the Japanese candle. So that is the reason we are also using the same. But if you want to use with the Heiken-Ashi, you can, because there is not going to be much difference. Of course, they are going to also display the same course, display the same data, only the calculation or the display, the visualization is a little bit different, but of course you can use. So Sachin ji is asking, like, after applying the zigzag, is the size of the candle become small? So there is nothing like that, sir. The indicator applied on any of this strategy is not affecting the size of the candles. Okay, so there was a signal, but we have missed it, but nothing to worry about that one. Of course, there are going to be a lot of signals in the market, so we will keep on looking for them. Okay, so we took one trade that went to the negative side. Let's see. Okay, so if we would have opened this trade when this candle started, we took this trade hardly 2 to 3 seconds late, but nothing to worry. We will try to use martingale for some time, and after that, if nothing comes up, we will use our risk-free trades. We have couple of risk-free trades. Okay, Asia Composite. Okay, Rajat. See, Rajat, of course, like we can see that all the confirmations are there, but right now we are only working for the basic rules. So the interaction or intersection of both the Arun up and Arun down, that was way earlier. So we will not, I'll not take the trade right now. That is the opportunity, we can take it, but that is going to be risky. But still, thank you so much. Let's look for some more. Guys, see, as per Rajat observation, all signals are there. Zigzag is pointing in a downward direction, parabolics are on the upper side of the candle, and Arun up, Arun down, that is also giving the indication. But right now we are only going to work on whenever there is going to be intersection. Once you will start practicing the strategy, of course you can take the trades on that also. My pleasure. Okay, so here we can see. So okay, so guys, see, first confirmation, second confirmation from the parabolic, zigzag again, a bit lagging, but nothing to worry. We have opened a trade for 3 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let me check a couple of more asset, guys. One more thing, I'm keep on taking trades back to back. My one trade is in ongoing and I am looking for the signals for the second trade, but you are not supposed to trade in such a way. Wait for the result, look for the result, like whether that was in a positive side or in a negative side, because see, once the result is declared, only after that you can check that which mechanism you have to use for the next trade, whether you have to use your risk management or you have to use your money management. If you are new to the platform, if you are not aware about these terms, stay connected, no worries, nothing to worry about that one. I'll be talking about that also. Just give me a quick moment. Okay, so let's apply a risk-free trade and take a upward trend. Guys, if you're not aware about this term, the risk-free trade, let me clarify about that one. So when you once you reach to the expert level, you start getting some risk-free trades. The button of the risk-free trade is like this. It's like a shield. It is going to be visible if you are using the mobile application. That is going to be visible at the bottom, just in between these two buttons. Up and down is going to be visible here, and just in the middle of that. Once you click on that one, you will be able to see different numbers. It may if I'll talk about my account, so in my account it's showing that I have 8 risk-free trade for $10 each, 7 for 15, 11 for 30, so on. So it is going to be visible to you. The best part of this benefit of this having these risk-free trade is, just suppose if I have taken this trade for $15, if that trade will go into the negative side in fixed time trade, I'm not going to face any negative balance. I know I have invested $15 which has been already deducted from my balance, but that will get refunded to my account. So that is the best part, and certain limitations are there. The first one is you can't cut this single risk-free trade into the multiple parts. Like you can't think that okay, I will take 3 trades, $5 each, and I will apply one risk-free trade of $15 on all of them. So that is not possible. You can use it once only. Whether you are going to apply it for a trade of $1 or $15, that's not going to matter. Once it's used, it's completely finished. But one more thing, there is no expiry of this risk-free trade. So if you want to keep it safe and you want to use it in future, of course you can. Just suppose if you will get something today and you want to use it after 2 years, of course that is going to be visible in your account till the time you are not going to use. So no expiry. Okay, so let's look for some more signals, because US market is about to open. It's hardly 2 minutes to go. This trade seems to go into the negative side because the Arunap is going up, but nothing to worry. Risk-free trade is there, so doesn't matter if that will go into the negative side. See, Rajaji, you were completely right that market is going in a downward direction, but that was a bit risky, so I avoid. Okay, let's look for some more signals. And guys, till the time we are waiting for the signals, one more piece of information. Always trade in a trending market. There are always 3 trends in the market. The first one is bearish, the second one is bullish, and the third one is consolidation, which in the normal language we call it as a flat market. Never trade in consolidation. Consolidation means, let me be more specific. Okay, so see, if I check the market at this level, it's something similar to a flat as compared to this level. There is a trend. Let me give you some more examples for a better understanding. Just a minute, guys. Like this one, see. So if I check the colors of the candle, a couple of red, then one green, one red, two green, two red, one green. So that is showing that the market is flat right away. So as there is a quote in the market that trend is your friend, guys. So we will follow that one. Whenever there is going to be a trend in the market, we will take trade. If consolidation is there, of course we are going to avoid it. I hope you are getting my point. If any question is there, guys, I can see that there is no movement in the comment section. Feel free to write. And guys, one more thing, I would love to ask that how was your last week? Like whether you were able to make some profits or like you face some negative results. Let me know so I can try to help you with that also. So whether any of the strategy which you are using and you are able to make some positive results, please share with your friends. Please share in the comment section so another other people they will be also came to know that whether that strategy is how it's working or whether it is working good for everyone or some of any of you is facing any negative results. So we will talk about that also. Okay, so one confirmation is there, two is there, but no confirmation from the Arun up and Arun down. Okay, so till the time guys we are waiting for the signals, let me talk about a little about the forex model. So how you can use this strategy on a forex model. Nothing is much to be changed. Everything is going to be same. Parabolic, zigzag, Arun up. The way we are focusing on the strategy, the way we are observing these technical tools, only one thing we are going to change, that is the time frame of the chart. Reason behind, those who are trading in forex mode, of course they must be aware that how they can use it, and the longer the duration, the better the trend in their favorable side, the more the profit is there. In a simple word, just suppose if I'll take a trade or if I'll hold a position for 1 hour or 2 hour in a specific direction and the market is going into that specific direction, of course I'm going to make more profit. And if I'm going to make a calculation or analysis on the basis of 1 minute, of course I can take trade hardly for 4 to 5 minutes. So better to increase the time frame, at least make it 1 hour. So the same observation, parabolic SARS, zigzag, and then Arun up, Arun down. In this one, guys, how you can open your position and how you can close the position. Just suppose the Arun down, it touched the 100 level and we open the position. Now market is going to take a trend. So as we can see that at this level the market was in a trend and again that was going into the downward direction. So the best which I can suggest is the easiest formation which we can pick to take the position and close the position is, once any of them, either Arun up or Arun down is touching the 100 level, and that is the time when you need to get into the market, you need to take a position, and whenever there is going to be a intersection, so then that it is indicating that market now is going into a opposite direction, and there is a possibility that market will go in a boom direction. Just suppose if I'll give you an example from here. Okay, so market started in a upward direction at this level. Till this level the market was in a upward, but so this is a level almost similar to that. So at this level the market went into the negative side, which will lead to a negative result, like which will start affecting your deposited amount or the invested amount. So that will start going into the negative side. If you want to hold for a longer, if you feel that of course the market will come back into the form and you will start making some profits, you can hold, but this is the maximum time which I can suggest, that max to max hold till that. Or the best which I can suggest is apply your stop loss, take profit, so that will also help you to collect the profits from them. Okay, so there is a question from Rajatji. There is a comment: made losses, mental health issue, I think, cannot control impulse and get too excited, lost 10k INR. Rajatji, see, this is one of the major mistake which every trader is doing, and it's not only about the starter or advanced level or the expert level, every trader is doing. This is what we call over trading. You must be aware about that. Guys, this is for everyone, those who are new to the platform or new to the trading, or even those who are in the trading from a very long time. Let me be clear with you guys. The time when I have joined this trading side, or I started my trading journey, in the beginning I was also something similar to you, Rajat. I was also getting very excited whenever I was learning a new strategy. So what I was doing, I was very excited that I know something new. I know how this strategy works. So what I was doing, I was keep on compounding the amount, or I was keep on taking trades with very big amounts. I made n number of money in the platform, a lot of money. But at the end of the day, what I was doing is I was keep on getting greedy and converting this, that $10, that greed of converting the $10 to 100 to 200 to 500 to 8 to 1000, that was leading me at a level when I was with a very big amount in my portfolio, with a very small deposit, I managed to make a very big profit. But that greed lead to me over trading, and I started taking trades with big amounts, and when even a single trade was negative, that was affecting my trading psychology a lot. And sometimes, trust me guys, sometimes, like in fact I am meeting some traders also, they are also stating the same thing. Sir, I deposited $10, I managed to make it $100, then I faced a negative result of $10 only. So rather than checking the another side of the coin where I can see that I still have $80 profit, I was keep on checking the side where I can see that $10 loss. I know guys, that was your hard earned money, you invested time, you put so much analysis, and then you managed to make that extra 10 bucks. But try to focus on that 80 also, you have worked for that as well. So rather than running for that $10, at least withdraw which you have earned. Rajaji, especially for you, try to focus on that thing. And second thing, let me tell you one more thing. There is one more way how you can work on your trading psychology. Mostly what is happening, we are having a tendency that, oh God, please make it 100 again and I will stop trading for the day. And trust me guys, you will not be able to touch that 100. It is going to be very tough, and majority of time you will lead towards the zero side, means you will wipe out your complete portfolio. So what I can suggest is, just suppose there is a situation similar to that. You deposited $10, you made it $100, again you come to 90. Now go in a in the past, when you started today's day, you deposited 10 and you make it 100. So there is a possibility that you can make it again, right? This time, rather than making it with the 10 to 100, we will double the amount of deposit. We will make it 20. Now what we will focus, rather than making from 10 to 100, we will double the amount and we will make it from 20 to 100. Of course, that is going to be way easier. If you have made it once, of course you can make it twice again. So now what's the catch, what you need to focus on? So you are at 90, so withdraw $70, leave your account with $20. You want to make it a round figure, I understand. Rather, if you are not able to make it a round figure in Olymp Trade, make it in your bank account. I mean to say, 70 you have already withdrawn, you need to withdraw 30 more to make it 100, from 20 to make it 30. It's way easy. You only need to make a profit of $10. You have a double amount. Your portfolio is double than your requirement. And then start trading again. If you manage to make it 30, withdraw everything. If not, at least you will face a loss of max to max $20. And that is also not a loss, because you already withdraw 70, which includes $10 of your deposit, $60 of your profit of the day. And if I calculate that $60 in INR or even in dollar, that is a very handsome amount. So guys, rather than focusing on a big small chunk, look for the big piece of the cake which you already have and enjoy it. And that is what money management and risk management is always doing. That is what trading psychology is always asking you to get a hold on. And that is a very thin layer difference between a trader and a disciplined trader. If you check into the market, there are a lot of traders, those who are having very great trading skills, having a very great hold on the strategies, but sometime you will find that they are not in a positive, in a profit. The reason is they are a skilled trader, but they are not a disciplined trader. So you have to be a disciplined one, because this trading, it's not like a sprint, guys. Trust me, it's not like a sprint. I know it's a quick money, you can take couple of good trades, and of course you will be able to make huge amounts, but in the meantime there is a possibility that those huge invested amount can go into the negative side. So what I will prefer, rather than taking one trade for $100, let's change the time frame to 2 minutes, and let's apply one RFD also for $20. So guys, what I was saying, rather than taking one trade for $100, I will suggest you to take 10 trades for $10 each. You can go for the lesser also, but at least max to max make it 10. Reason, just suppose out of any, because of any XYZ reason, out of those 10 trades, hardly 2 trades were positive. So what's your situation? Just suppose me and one of my friends, we both are trading. He took a single trade for $100 that went into the negative side. At the same time, I took one trade for $10. Both of them trades were into the negative side. His portfolio is 0. Now I am still in the action. I took 9 more trades with $10 each. Out of those, only 2 trades went into the positive side. With the least profitability, make it 80%. I managed to make profit of $16. So my portfolio is still stating that I have $36 in my account, and he's on a level where his account balance is 0. So you can see that my situation is way better. And it's not that like I have a couple of extra bucks, it's because I have the ability to stay into the market for more opportunities. The more the opportunity, the more chances to win. And there is a possibility that when we both of us, we started the trading, there was a fluctuation into the market, or because of any XYZ reasons, our trades were not going into the positive side, but after 10 minutes that fluctuation is not anymore there, or after 20 minutes that fluctuation is not there. So my trades started going into the positive side, and I will start building my portfolio again. So Rajaji, I hope you understand my point. Please try to focus on that thing. I know sometimes this trading pressure, this trading psychology, that is affecting a lot, and we are leading to some negative results. But trust me guys, these type of psychology, this pressure, if you have a negative balance of $100 and you want to recover it with this psychology, that 100 minus will become 110 or 120. That will not become 90 or 80, because that will keep on pushing you to take trades back to back, and at that time, sometime we are getting too much pressurized, that signal is not there, but we think that it can be there or it will be there, and we start taking trades. So that what we call false signal. So avoid those false signals and keep on focusing. Okay, sir. So there is a question from Bhanu Prasad ji. Sir, good evening. Very good evening, sir. I had made a deposit of 30k June 10th, not credited in a live session. I raised forward live screen recording. Same I forward. I'm so sorry, sir, that your deposit is still stuck. I request you to please connect with the support team. They will help you with the same. and if you manage to have a conversation, please let me know if you get any confirmation. Or the best which I can suggest is just share your trader ID, nothing else, no personal information guys, only the trader ID to support team. Now they are saying it graphic edited and they will not solve the problem. Okay sir, then you can do one thing. If they are stating some such thing, just have a conversation with them, clarify it with them that why they have been stating like this, so you can clarify it to them. Okay, so let's see how's our trade are going on. Okay, very negative market, too much fluctuation is going to be there. Okay, let's see. Okay, if we would have opened a trade for 3 minutes, that would lead to a positive results, but we would have opened the trade at this level. Let's look for some more signals. Okay. And guys, see, as you can see that I am also using the same strategy. I am getting some negative results. Asia 5-minute trade time frame. Okay, so Santoshi in form now. 5-minute, let's convert. Santoshi, if we will take a trade for 5 on a chart time frame of 5 minutes, at least we need to open a trade for 10 minutes, and that is going to take lot of time. That is not going to be visible to you because we might end up the session prior to that. So I'll drop this signal, but still thank you so much for this. Let's look for small signals for now because the session is about to finish. Okay, so as we can see that if we would have opened a trade on this at this level for 3 minutes, that was supposed to in a positive side, 2 minutes that went into the negative, and 4 was also negative. Guys, in this way you can also do some back testing as well. So how this back testing can help you, you can check that if you would have opened a trade at this level, which time frame was suitable for you. So in this way, just suppose if you are starting your trading day at 11 a.m. in the morning, so at least analyze the chart for at least for last 1.5 hour. Try to make a table and you will come to a conclusion that just suppose you observe 20 trades in each time frame for 2, 3, 4, and you come to a conclusion that for 2 minutes 10 trades were positive, for 3 minutes 15 trades were positive, for 4 minutes hardly 12 trades were positive. So you came to a conclusion that 3 minutes is a time frame which is suitable right now. But again, there is a catch. In market there are 3 trading sessions. The first one is Asian time zone, Asian trading session, which starts somewhere around 9:15 as per Indian Standard Time. The second one is the London session, European market. It opens up at 3 p.m. IST. So as per your time frame, local time frame, guys, please convert it and then you can calculate. 9:30 IST AM Indian session, Asian session, 3 p.m. London session, European market, and the 7 p.m. is the time when the US market open up. US market is the time when I believe there is the highest fluctuation or the much fluctuation is there in the market. So if you are making analysis on the basis of Asian market, you can try the same time frame in a European, but I'll not suggest to follow the same in US market, because the type of the fluctuation and the type of the market, that is a bit more risky, so that is a bit higher, so please avoid it. And as you can see that we are keep on taking some trades, and that fluctuation I believe that starts somewhere around 6:15, 6:30, because like all markets, whenever the market is about to open, so there are so many rumors in the market that this is going to happen, this can be happening, this market, this specific company got merged or it got bankrupt, so much rumors and information is circulating into the market. But once the market is open, only after that we can check that which information was correct or which was not. So as a result, from 6:30 onward the fluctuation is there, which lies somewhere around 7:30, 7:45, and after that the market hold the same trends, and then you can analyze the market. So if you want to trade after 7 p.m., try to observe the market from 6:30 onwards till 7:30. Try to take some demo trades. If you feel that that is not exciting, you are not getting a kick, you are not getting excited or pressurized on a demo account, then the best which I can suggest is take trades on live, but with the small amounts, because the lesser the amount, lower the risk. The lower the risk, the more opportunities you can grab to make profit. Okay, so hardly 5 to 7 more minutes to go, guys. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. And one more information, in the beginning I can see that there were a couple of traders, those who were new to the platform. So guys, if you want to learn the trading, the first one, you can subscribe the channel, you can keep on joining us. Me and one of couple of my colleagues, they are keep on joining, conducting these sessions, so they will be keep on sharing the information. Second one, you can explore this help button, this help center and education part. There is a lot of information from the basic, like how you can make a deposit, to all the different mechanism available on the platform, how you can take a trade, candle formations, candle patterns, and different some small topics. Everything is there. If you want to excel your information a bit more and you want to do some homework, I can suggest you one website. Okay, Isha, 5 minutes. Santoshi, let me check. Sir, please confirm if you want me to check the 5-minute chart time frame. You are saying 5-minute trade, crypto, one candle. Okay. Let me see. Oh, very nice. Let's take a trade with this fluctuation and try to recover everything if we manage to. But if big candle is there, of course there can be a reversal. Let's talk about the support. So this is the support level. Oh my god, we have taken a trade on the support level. If that will get breakdown, then the second support level is a bit far, so I believe that trade can go into the positive side. So guys, let me come to the part which I was talking about. So there is a website which you can explore. The name of the website is Investopedia. You can go over there, you can explore different topics like candle formation, chart patterns, price action, and the support resistance. You can explore them about them. And if you will be if you manage to get a hold on at least on support resistance and a couple of candle patterns like doji or hammer candle, I can assure you that you will be able to make a couple of good successful trades on composites. But it's not like that support resistance is good, so of course I am going to make profit. It's not like that. US market down -0. Sir, in fact, yesterday, Santoshi, I was checking something about US market. Like a lot of money has been wiped out from the market itself, and that is not like somewhere in millions and billions. It's in trillions. So many people, they have taken their money out of the US market, and that is affecting a lot. So you are right, market is okay. So this trade is on a urge. Let's see how it goes. This is the time which which excites me, like when at the last moment the candle is very fluctuating. Let's see how much time is left. Okay, very nice. Thank you so much, Santoshi. I know I'm not going to share this profit with you. That $18.60 is completely going to be mine, but a big thanks to you. Okay, so guys, we were talking about this website. So apart from that, there is one more website which I can suggest, that is the investing.com. Like always, I am talking about that one. Investing.com is the best site which I am following. I'm not asking you to follow the same, but you can look for another also, but this is the one which you can try. Investing.com I am using to check the information. Thank you. So investing.com is the website which I am following to check the economic calendar. So time to time, so much information is getting floating into the. No problem at all, sir. I hope you liked my service. And yesterday I had a conversation with ma'am, and you can have the further information that what conversation I had with her, and I'm trying my best to help you, and we are always here to help you. Nothing to worry. So investing.com, you can explore to check the economic calendar about the different news like CPI, NFP. If I'll talk about the last NFP data, that was in a downward direction, that was in a minus, and as a result, that the currency pairs which are holding the which are having the US dollar. So in whichever the US dollar in the front, they you will be able to see big red candles, and in whichever the US dollar in the backward side, in the quoted side, so you will be able to see the big green candles. So NFP data, again example, it is coming on every first Friday of every month at 6 p.m. IST. And if you want to learn more, guys, make sure you upgrade your level on the platform. One small last information, guys, whenever you are reaching on the expert level, so we are also giving you one personal analyst. They are going to conduct one-to-one session. They will be helping you with all your trading concerns, trading skills. Thank you so much, Santoshji, for 5-star. So they will be conducting Zoom sessions with you. Each session is going to be free of cost, but they will be helping you with everything, all your concerns to improve your trading skills. So try to grab a hold on your trading part. Try to improve your trade status on the platform to get the benefit of that one. And one thing again, this service is going to be free of cost. So guys, I hope you like today's session, you like the information which I have provided, and I hope you enjoyed this session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, guys. And one thing again, one reminder again, please make sure you practice the strategy on demo account first. Open at least 100 to 150 trades, come to some conclusions, and then use that strategy on your live account. Till the time, stay safe, stay healthy. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. A lot of love and respect to all of you, and give my love to your dear ones, the little ones, and my regards to your elder ones. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you a great day. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers. Sayonara. See you in the next session.